So hello guys, welcome back to GizAddict, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create bootable pendrive for Windows 10. So let's get straight into the video. So to create bootable pendrive, you need to download a software called Rufus and Windows 10 ISO file. So to download Rufus, open Google Chrome, then type Rufus, then click on the first link, then click here to download the latest release. So to download Windows 10 ISO file, open Google, then type Windows 10 download, then click on the official link. Here the direct download link not showing, so I'll do a trick. Now right click here, then click on inspect, then click here and refresh the page. After that, close the inspector window. Now direct download link is showing. Now select Windows 10, then click on confirm. Now select the language as English. Now click on confirm. Now there will be a direct download link. So download the 64-bit version. Now Windows 10 download started. I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. Now I will copy the Rufus.exe to the desktop. Now I have downloaded Windows 10 ISO and Rufus. So double click on Rufus to run it. Then click on yes. Now connect the pen drive to your computer. Now select the Windows 10 ISO file. I will drag and drop here. Don't change anything here. Just click on start. Make sure to take backup of your pen drive data because everything on the pen drive will be lost. Then click on OK to continue. Then click on OK. Now bootable pendrive creation started. Now I will speed up the video to save your time.
Few minutes later.
Now bootable pendrive created successfully. So you can plug your pendrive into any computer and begin your Windows 10 installation. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.